Fewer homes for sale all over the East Bay, and sales prices are up. I'm David Stark, and welcome to the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. As summer winds down, it's expected that real estate activity will slow too. But the drop in inventory during September wasn't just a seasonal thing. Homes on the market are down compared with September 2018. How much, and what impact did this have on sales and sales prices? Let's find out, starting with the 880 corridor. Homes for sale. Look at Oakland, an 11% drop compared with last September. But inventory in two other large cities, Fremont and Hayward, was virtually the same. In other areas, mostly down. Newark down 10%, San Leandro down 46%, San Lorenzo 76%, Union City 17%. Sales prices, mixed. With fewer homes for sale in Alameda, prices up 8%. But look at Castro Valley, Fremont, Hayward, prices down. In Oakland, fewer choices drove up prices 7%. Union City, prices down 14%. Homes sold, very mixed. Increasing inventory from previous months drove up sales in Fremont, Hayward, and Newark, but Oakland was basically flat. Next up is West Contra Costa County. Homes for sale down everywhere. El Sobrante had 17 on the market, that's a 35% drop. Richmond with 99 for sale, down 17%. Sales prices, supply and demand. El Cerrito up 1%, El Sobrante up 6%. Hercules is the exception, down 4%. Richmond up 8% to 585. Homes sold. Again, the drop in inventory didn't show up yet. Sales up in El Sobrante, Hercules, Pinole, and Richmond. Now let's go to Central Contra Costa County. Homes for sale down everywhere. Clayton, Concord, and Martinez all drop in the 30% range. Pleasant Hill down 37%. Walnut Creek 9%. Sales prices flat or up. Clayton up 12% to 875. Martinez up 8% to 685. Homes sold. Buyers were active. Sales up everywhere. Pleasant Hill had 31 sold, up 48%. Walnut Creek at 46 sales, more than 50% up. La Miranda, here we go. Homes for sale, mixed. Lafayette down big, but increases in Moraga and Orinda. Sales prices up, up, and up. Lafayette and Moraga both up 9%. Orinda at 1.558 was up 15%. Homes sold, mixed. Lafayette dropped 2 units. Moraga up 1 unit, and Orinda unchanged. Next, we're in the Tri-Valley. Homes for sale, mixed. Danville with 127 for sale was a 19% drop. Dublin up 13%. Livermore with 107 on the market, down 22%. Pleasant up 6%, and San Ramon with 89 on the market, up 46%. Sales prices, more mixed. Alamo at 1.875, up 17%. Dublin at just over $1 million was down 2%. Livermore basically flat. Pleasant up 2%. San Ramon 1.038, a 14% drop from last September. Homes sold, big changes. Alamo down 33%. Dublin and Livermore both in the 30% range. Pleasant up 16%. San Ramon 50 sold, up 25%. And finally, let's go to the Delta. Homes for sale, mixed. Antioch, almost unchanged. Brentwood, 380 on the market, up 13%. Pittsburgh with only 83 for sale, down 34%. Sales prices, up everywhere. Antioch, 480. Brentwood, 605. Pittsburgh, 490. Homes sold, up everywhere. Antioch, 99 sales, up 24%. Brentwood, 183. That's a 26% increase. Pittsburgh, up 7%. One last thought. Days on market across the East Bay rose from 26 last September to 31 this September. This says buyers are taking more time to process these surprising market changes. We'll see you next month.